nangyari. When the Balikatan forces came here, nag-present sila. Okay naman, everything was okay. Pero nagka-meeting kami with the mayors regarding the rice distribution and all that. Naibanggit po sa akin ni Mayor Crescente Garcia, si Mayor Ente, na pinapatigil daw ang mga fishermen pumalaot during the Balikatan, which was parang lumalabas 8 days. So medyo na-alarma ako kasi sabi ko, naku, wala namang ganun sa usapan na may ganyan. But tama rin naman na may ganun kasi talagang maa-apekto sila kapag lalabas sila, live fire po yung gagamitin. So it's just but right na hindi talaga sila magpumalaot, but hindi naman pwedeng ganyan-ganyan na lang. So, of course, ano ko kasi talaga, I always, every time, even kapag may typhoon, may storm warnings, kapag may dumadating na gano'n, pinapapreposition ko na nga lahat ng food packs at pinapabigay ko na sa lahat ng mga fisher folks sa coastal towns. So, just like that, you know that araw-araw kasi parang daily sustenance na talaga nila yun eh. Hindi naman commercial quantity yung nahuhuli nila, but for their daily sustenance at konting benta. Pero still, it's really, nakakaawa naman talaga kung wala silang ano yun. And most of the time, ang nangyari din kapag may storm, meron nga yung iba, pumapalaot pa yan, yung iba, nawala, may gano'n. So, I want to avoid that. So, nakausap ko yung mga AFP on the ground. Sabi nga, naku ma'am, wala po kaming budget niyan. Sabi ko, hala, paano to ngayon? Hindi naman pwedeng ganun lang yung sagot kasi I will not accept it as that. Kasi it's easy. I mean, I could have easily done, which is what I also requested. I requested from our PSWDO for family food packs for the fishermen. But hindi pwede ang ganun lang, diba? So sabi ko, so what I did was I went to the Americans naman kasi meron silang community relations, sinasabi, and they have community relations. Sabi ko, what does that entail? Sabi nila, whatever it is that the province feeds. So sabi ko, I asked them for some classrooms. So they said, okay. So tinawagan ko sila kasi sabi ko, since you said okay to classrooms, sabi ko, wag na lang yung bigyan, wag na lang kami bigyan ng classroom, bigyan lang yung fishermen kasi I cannot allow this. Tinapit ko pa nga, gusto niyo patigil ko to? Kasi kawawa naman. So, and then I was asking, they didn't know yung mga Pilipino. So sabi ko, should I elevate this to General Growler? Kasi, syempre siya yung head, di ba? So, tinawagan ko siya. Sabi ko, naku, General, hindi naman pwedeng ganito. Kasi, mawawa naman yung fisher folks namin. So, apparently, nasabi niya kay SND, at sabi ni SND, siya na yung bahala. He came. Kaya natakot na, pinervous ka ako kasi, bigla siyang dumating. And bigla siyang dumating, meron na siyang dala-dala. So, I was very, very thankful. Talagang, I was very, very happy na kaagad-agad ang response ni SND at natulungan ng ating mga fisher folks. So, ang sabi ni SND, it was one aspect. Parang kasi, every year sa Balikatan, meron silang mga learning curve. And this is one of them na hindi pwede nilang kalimutan yung aspect na yun. So, I'm grateful na yun ang nangyari.